Oh, supercharged too. Check that.
How can you tell?
Right up the top. Mostly just this black porch. Tell this thing's got an air filter right over here. I mean, my goodness, this thing is. Like I said, you can tell we got some more people coming in. If you haven't told it by now, yes, I love coming here. This isn't Honda Day, but it's a damn good show. Oh, that's clean. That is really clean.
And I got everything about the car. Even the colors that it comes in. The white was great. Yeah. I watched the whole thing on it. You bring up Project 7. Jay Leno does the whole thing in the test run. And you got the actual.
Look at that shit. No way.
Oh yeah.
They have Civics coming in now. Look at that. I think it's a 9th generation Honda Civic right in the back. They're literally living that one well. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. You just expect a lot more American muscle. I didn't know imports started coming here.
Yeah, I wouldn't have expected that.
It's the one. It's the black Civic Wonder.
It's the what?
It's the Civic Wonder. And everybody questioned why VTEC entered that day. Ooh, Beetle. This gets big like really fast. Damn. Old Fox body. Huh? I always love it when they do that. Pull like the model and then like the actual car is based off of it. I just love it. I'd say that this one's necessarily based off of that. I just think it's awesome as hell. Another Fox body.
Oh, that's alright.
Plymouth Cuda. Oh, 63. No, I don't know this year because Corvettes have like so many years, and I'm not even gonna bullshit. But it's an old Corvette, 454. It looks like. I think a buddy of my friend who sold me my car, I was actually working on. I think it was a '67 Corvette right before the show. I don't know if we'll see him or not, but.
At the airport at 10:30. California for a week.
Look at that interior. Aw, man. Dude.
I know that.
Volkswagen Beetle, love it. I've never seen one with a front end like that, ever. It looks so weird, but at the same time, I mean, I like it, but different. Why is the VTEC over there, like... for the effort. Actually, no, I'm not even gonna jump cut.
Wait.
I was gonna like pause and then do a jump cut, but I'm like, no. Because I'm like recording here. Oh, check this. Check this dude. Look at that. Look at that. Oh boy. Oh man. Look at that. I know previous year they had Ave Maria. I just gotta say, sir, this is a lovely car. I have to say. Oh dude, can't stop looking at that motor.
Walking back?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to. I've never seen that grill like that. It looks so badass. Ooh, Chevy. I never really noticed before, but a lot of the majority of them are either Mustang or Chevy. I have never noticed. Say hello to YouTube, Calvin.
I love how I love how a lot of the cars interiors contrast with the body.
That's the way it used to be back then. If not, then I had it done, but it was worth it. Mine is in no way contrast. Mine is like, you have the silver body on the outside and then the blue interior on the inside. It throws it off, but somehow it still works. Tristan, if you're watching, there's a Civic here. Man. Honda too. Even got a monitor in here too, touchscreen.
Is this like,
No, this is new. This is grade A now.
where are people parking?
Everywhere. They're trying to like fill it up as best as they. I know in previous years they've had trouble filling it up, but I think that's just because I don't know whether there's like lacking of people or something. Oh snap! Check out the Stingray. Oh boy.
So cool.
Damn, son. Side exhaust too. Oh snap. Hey, I'm just getting too excited because it's the first show I've been to this year. But look behind you. Oh my god. This is a monster. I could just look at that. Look at that shit. You can just tell. There's a bottle of nitrous in the bag. There's a bottle of nitrous. Look at the bag. It has speakers and everything. Oh my god. Check it out through here. Dude. That is massive. I'm in love here.